Yeah. Can you see that? That's not, do you know what that is? Yep, that's a surfboard. This is a fish, a 5'3" fish with glassed on keel fins shaped by Jive out of San Diego, California. And it has been through the ringer. I buckled it about 1.5 years ago, and today I'm going to restore it back to surfable conditions. It has so many repairs done to it. It hit the rocks, but at one point in time, it was my favorite board. And I surfed it anywhere between 1 foot sloppy surf to 8 foot pumping surf. This board has been with me forever, and I kind of want to ride it again now that I have this new place. If you guys watch my previous vlogs, we've moved into a new place that has access where I can actually repair this board properly, because I tried once and I did a horrible job. Horrible. Repairs are hard, okay? And so now we have this space. I'm going to repair it properly this time. I think I messed up. This is not going good. This is actually going horrible. Round 2 of another terrible repair. And I'm going to do a sick time-lapse video of it. And if you guys are new to this channel, you know that I had a broken nose not that long ago, actually exactly 3 weeks from filming this. So as a little update, my nose is it's looking better. I can actually really breathe through it now, which is significantly changed, probably the most. But the swelling is finally going down. I'm feeling great, and now I'm able to kind of work on some projects and not just be in bed all day long hating life. So, but check this out, we got it dialed. We got like the surfboards up, you know, little garden, snowboard bench, fire pit, you know, we're growing some stuff. That has made this whole process a whole lot easier, having a yard to actually work in. Let me show you guys the materials that we're using to repair this surfboard. So we got some epoxy, boom, Q-cell, blue tape, you know, paint brushes, scrapers, gloves. You got it. So this is what we need. There's something that I'm not 100% sure on, and it's just because I've never done, I haven't used this kind of material like that much, is I'm using the Q-cell to fill these gaps. Let me show you. So you see, this is like not even. That's a huge indent right there. Another huge indent. So I'm using the Q-cell to fill in those indents and make it a smooth surface. I'm not gonna put any cloth on it since I already used cloth on the original repair, but I'm not sure if the Q-cell is gonna be strong enough to hold without the cloth. And what Q-cell is, it's just a powder form that makes the liquid resin more thick that you can maneuver and manipulate a lot easier for these bigger dents and divots. If there's anybody that has a better idea or knows that if this Q-cell is gonna hold, please drop it in the comments. This is not going good, guys. Day 2 of the repair, and I forgot one of the most important things, to tape it off. And now I got a big mess to deal with, which is just gonna cause me to sand maybe quadruple of what I probably had to sand. But here we go. I don't know, the Q-cell did not evenly go into these holes that were here, which I don't know if I used too little Q-cell you know, I just don't know. I've never really worked with QSO or did this big of a repair, so if you know how much QSO they use to like make sure these holes get filled, because these were so deep, and to fill these evenly, please drop a comment. Like, I'm so curious to know, because this did not, it worked okay. It's better than what it was, but it's not great because I kind of blew it on the tape. Got a lot of work to do sanding. Boom. This is how it came out, and it's pretty sick. I'm stoked on it. It's not perfect, and honestly, surfboard repairs are so hard. This one especially, but I'm happy that it's watertight. It's super strong. Like, this thing is definitely not going to break, and it's absolutely surfable. So even though I can't surf right now because of my nose, I cannot wait to get this thing back in the water, and I'll definitely get some clips on it. 5'3" Jive, shaped out of San Diego. And also, I don't know if you guys know what kind of fish that is, but if you guys know what kind of fish this is, please drop it in the comment. I know it's not the best drawing in the world, but yeah, it's something. Anyway, if you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. It seriously helps. And yeah, I'm gonna try to actually shape a surfboard from scratch next. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Hopefully better than this, or the same. I'd be happy either way. But either way, I got my surfboard back and I cannot wait to go out and ride this thing again. All right, see you guys next time. Peace.